Hi guys, today I'm gonna replace my spark plug. I already removed some parts already here. This is my spark plug cable. It's the old one, so I'm gonna replace this too later. And all the spark plugs, I have 6 spark plugs over here, so I have 3 at the back and 3 at the front. So I got already removed my coil over here and my alternator, and this all my new 6 spark plugs, so and new cable. So I gotta replace those. So okay, so now I'm gonna remove my my brackets, because I wanna look at so I got a good space on my back, so I have to remove this thing and the fitting over here, so I'm gonna replace those. And alright, let's do it. Okay, those my spark plug over here. Okay, alright, it's already unscrewed and need to remove, so I got plenty of space at the back. So alright, for now just sit here. So the old one has a big gap right now, so it needs to be replaced. So alright, let's change the new one. Oh, this the old one, you see the bad spark plug, yeah, they all removed and replace new one. And it's on now. God, it's time now. Replace those bad stuff, and now pretty good now.